Just say it as if it's already happening. I am successful. I'm getting married this year. I'm getting my babies this year. I'm moving to another country this year.
All I see is blessings. Got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life. It's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow. It's like I'm learning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to 2021 and happy new year. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. And for my returning subscriber, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. As you all know, I just got married and I relocated to Port Harcourt with my husband, because my husband lives in Port Harcourt. So I'm now a Port Harcourt YouTuber. So my intro is going to be like, hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Licious, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt. yes. So now I'm now in Port Harcourt. This year I'm going to be doing a lot of video, my life in Port Harcourt, living in Port Harcourt, the difference between Port Harcourt and Benin City and all that. So this video I'm going to be talking about affirming what you want in 2021 and the vision board. If you believe in your goals, I believe in manifestation. I believe in manifesting what you want. Last year I did a vision board concerning manifesting, or how to make a vision board. I manifested my engagement ring, I manifested my husband, I manifested a man who will support and care for me, and it came to pass. So I believe that's how it is. If you want something, you speak it into the universe and the universe would accept it. Speak what you want, speak it to existence. Like if you want to be successful this year, you say it, I am successful. Just say it as if it's already happening. I am successful. I'm getting married this year. I'm getting my babies this year. I'm moving to another country this year. Speak it into existence, and I know it's going to happen for you if you have the faith and you believe in it. They say what you want. Never have any negative mindset. Always be positive. When things are not going the way you plan, still be positive, still be hopeful, and I believe it's going to happen. Without further ado, so let's get down to making the vision board.
So guys, what you do now is just go to your app store, download PixArt on your phone. Then when you download PixArt, you click on the PixArt, then you click on this plus button, then you scroll down and go to freestyle. Then when you get to freestyle, I've already downloaded some pictures from the internet, so these are the pictures that I've downloaded. Now I'm just going to be selecting them one by one. In this freestyle, you can only select 10 pictures. So guys, these are all the picture I selected. I have this 2021 image here, so you're just going to place that one at the top. Make sure your own picture is on it. So this twins girls image, I've always wanted twins. Then success and achievement. So this year 2021, I believe that everything is going to be successful and I'm going to achieve everything. And 1,000 subscribers, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, or more than 1,000 subscribers. And also I want to have my camera this year. You know, I'm using my phone to vlog. Then you just have to put an image of what you want and what you believe in. This image is faith. It's all about believing. You don't know how it will happen, but you know it will. So that's it. I'm just putting that quote there. And also everything about mental health, sexual wellness, nutrient, living, diet, care, fitness, and all that. So I'm also putting this image of money because this year I'm going to be financially stable on all sides, financially blessed. Everything that I want, I'm going to achieve it and all that. Yeah, so I'm just placing my camera where I want it to stay, and make sure you put your own personal picture, the picture that you know you look good on, so you just place it there. So that's it, guys. The next thing you do, you save it to your phone, and you can use it as your wallpaper if you want to. If you're going to try this method, please let me know and leave a comment below.
There you have it, guys. I hope the video was helpful, and I believe that speaking over your life help you to determine who you want to be or who you are. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video.